Hello students, welcome to our class. This is our English class. After the exam, after your first unit test, this is our first class. Today we just completed our first English class after the exam. And in that class we already learned the two letters, that was O and P, right? So the letter we have learned were O and P. This is O and this is P, right? These two letters we have already learned in our live class. Here I will revise these two letters, and we already learned another thing, that is how to write the small letters. How can we write the small letters? We just started the small letters also. So here first I will discuss the Carnival book, this book, and then I will show you how you can write the small letters, okay, in your English copy. So first, Carnival book, page number 12. You can see here, page number 12. These two pages, these two letters we will learn today. These two letters we will learn today. We have already learned in our live class. This is just a video for that. So this one is O, right? The letter name is O, and it sounds O. It sounds O, or sometimes it sounds A. Okay. So these are all short sounds. So this is letter O and it sounds O. Okay. So O for orange. You can see the picture here. You can see here, this is the letter O and it sounds O. It sounds O. Sometimes it may sound A. Here it is sounding O for orange. This is an orange. This is an orange. In your book it may show, looks like yellow, but it actually orange in color, right? So O for orange. Now here you can see O for onion. O for onion, and this one is owl. So here you can see O sounds as A, right? Owl. O-W-L, this is owl. Okay. After that, the letter P, or you can say P. This is the letter P, and it sounds P. It sounds P. So P for parrot. P for parrot. P for parachute. This is a parachute. This is a parachute. When a people jump from an aeroplane or a helicopter or from a high hill, they use parachute. This protects them from falling, right? With the help of the parachute, they can climb down or they can come down like a flying bird. So this is a parachute. P for parachute and P for pillow. This is your pillow in your home. So P for pillow. So these two letters we just learned in our live class. Now here we will learn how we can write the small letters. Okay. So now we will learn how we can write the small letters. You already know, to write the capital letters we need in your English book or copy these three lines. 1, 2, 3. I have marked the lines. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in your English copy there are 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. But for writing capital letter we use only 3 lines, right? 1, 2 and 3. We use these 3 lines for writing capital letter. Now we will learn how we can write the small letters. Okay. So for writing small letters, most of the time we will use only 2 and 3 lines. 2 and 3. These 2 lines we will use most of the times. And for few letters we will use the number 1 line and number 4 line. Okay. So let's see. So first, you know, this is A. This is A. This is the letter A, capital A. And now we will learn how we can write the small a. Okay? Draw a straight line. Then we need to draw a curved line. In this way, you can write the small a. You can write the small a. Now, I will show you how can you write small a using your lines. Okay? So, this is capital A, right? We are using 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. 3 lines for writing capital A. So now we will write how to write small a, okay? So for writing small a, you can curve straight a line and then you can just curve the line. You can see here, I have just longer the line. I just make a curve at the beginning, right? I just make a curve at the beginning. This way you can write A. Or if you write this way, only a straight line and a curved line, this is also okay. This is also okay. So you can write a straight line and a curved line. This way you can write, or you can just longer the line a little bit and you can do like this. This way this is also correct and this one is also correct, okay? So both are correct. So you can write your A according to your choice. So this way you will write the letter A, okay? Now how you will write the letter B? So for writing the letter B, you need to draw a straight line from number 1 to number 3. 1, 2, 3. Using these 3 lines, you have to draw a straight line. And you will draw a curve opposite to A, okay? On your right side, you will draw a curve on your right side. So this is B, small b. C is similar to your capital C, but for writing small c, you just need to use the 2 lines, not the other lines, okay? So for writing C, you have to use the 2 lines, only 2 and 3 lines. These 2 lines you have to use. For capital C, we were using 1, 2 and 3 lines. But here, for writing small c, we are using only 2 and 3 lines, okay? For writing B, you will draw a straight line like B, like you have drawn for B. In the same way, you will draw a straight line from 1 to 3. And then you will draw a curve to your left side. To your left side, you will draw a curve. So this is D. I am showing you again. Draw a straight line and then draw a curved line, okay? So do not cross the lines while you are writing. Do not cross the lines. So today what you will do, you will write 1 full page in your English copy. On full page in your English copy, writing the small a, small b, small c and small d. I already told in your live class that how you have to write. You will write 1 line for small a, 2nd line for small b, 3rd line for small c, 4th line for small d. Again, you will repeat the same. A, B, C and D. Okay, in this way. You will write only the small letters 1 full page. Okay. Hope you have understand. Thank you for watching.